sis, we are going to be doing, we're in our robe and we just got done filming a brows tutorial, and we did a wing liner tutorial as well. I'm going to be doing a lash tutorial now, just on how to pop on some lashes. Now, I used to be very simple when it came to my lashes, but I wear my own lashes now, and they're 25mm lashes. They're long, dramatic, but so I'm going to put on some dramatic lashes, but not saying that the same thing won't work for little lashes. So grab a pair of lashes, sis, sit down and go through this video with me real quick. So today I'm going to be using my lashes. They look like this, coming from my lash line. I'm covering up the style, sorry you guys, I hope you guys can see those. That's what they look like though. They're so pretty. I haven't got the packaging yet. I'm so mad about this virus stuff because, sis, we could be getting you guys some lashes right now. Like, I picked out all the styles that I want, but they, I mean, the virus came out. So what you could do, I have the lash here. So this lash is not cut yet. You don't just want to put on the lash. This is what it looks like though. You don't just want to put on the lash. Some people I've seen put on their lashes and they don't cut them. And I don't think they know to cut them. I've seen plenty of people like that, and then you just have that extra, you know, or it's just way too big for your eye. So also I see some people that sell lashes, nobody in particular, so do not think I'm coming for anybody, but I've just seen it before. I've seen girls that sell their lashes but don't know how to make them look good. So you want to make sure they fit your eye, you want to make sure they're on properly, and yes. So what I normally do, I'm gonna pull up a mirror close to me, and so what I normally do is I will, first of all, I will bend the lash. You want to bend it, and I normally, that will help you get the shape, get a good shape, so they're not just stiff. Lashes are stiff when they first come out, so it gives them that round, you know, and they will fit your eye better. So I normally just kind of move and twist and make them a little bit more flexible, not stiff, you know. And I will just make those, make that shape, and then you can also take them and connect them at the two ends and make a circle and hold them like this for a while, and that will make them shape well. But now they should be shaped pretty good. So now what you want to do after they are shaped, you can tell the difference between, you know, one that you've shaped and one that you haven't shaped. So it's gonna have that more curved look instead of that straight kind of just bend, because they're so used to being on their bed. So now that I've done that, you just want to take them and fit them on your eyes. So of course they don't have glue on them. You're just going to want to put them on your eye and kind of see where you're going to sit them. And what I normally do is I just take the excess. Once I put them on my eye, I take the excess and then I just clip them off. So let me get in the mirror real quick and just see. And then I'm going to just set them on your lash, and whatever is hanging off of this end, cut, okay? So you never want to cut the front of the lash. You always want to cut the end of the lash. And I feel like some people, I had a girl at Ulta, I went to Ulta and I bought some lashes, and she was like, oh, these lashes are so amazing. I think they were like Lily lashes, and she was like, oh, they're just so big. She was like, they were really long for me, She was like, so I cut them on both ends, and I was just like, ooh, no, don't ever cut your lashes on both ends. You will mess them up. So you want to cut them where they flare out on the end, okay? The outer part of the eye. That's where you want to cut. So if you have a pair of lash scissors, you're just going to take the piece, you're going to just cut it off, okay? So after you do that, they're going to be shorter, of course, and you're going to check again, and you're going to see if they fit your eye, okay? If you don't have any excess hanging over. So I'm just going to look one more time and see if they fit. And see how I can just sit them on my eye easily now? They're there, okay? So now I'm just going to take the other side and I'm going to do the same thing. So I always make sure I take them off with a pair of tweezers. Now I got these long pair. You can use any pair you want, but this is what mine look like. So now we're ready to apply, sis, okay? So what we want to do is we want to get our lash glue. So I always like to use a lash glue with a wand on it, okay? So let me find my lash glue. Okay, so I always use the Duo lash glue. So this one here is the one I have. And then the brush literally looks like this. So I found this new trick. I'm going to tell you this right now. Use this for your own eyes. Do not do this for your clients. And I don't think I heard anybody, I've heard some people, you know, finding out about this trick, and I never heard them say, do not use this on your clients, okay?
I repeat one more time, sis, do not do this method on your clients.
Because it is not sanitary for your clients. You always want to be sanitary for your clients. Now for you at home, okay? For you at home, this is your personal glue, okay? So this trick is for you. Now, if you want to use a brush, a separate brush that you're not gonna continuously put back on your wand, then that's fine to use on your clients. Do not use the applicator and put it back in the product. So now that we got that going, okay, we're going to pop on our lash. So what we do is you take the wand and you put on the, I gotta get close to the mirror, you put on the glue as if it was eyeliner, okay? So you're going to put it all on your lash band. Make sure you get some extra in the corner like normal, and take it all the way across. Make sure you get that corner. Make sure not to get any in your eyes. Be careful. And then I put a little bit, I use the Fenty mascara, that Fenty mascara on. I'm going to try my best to get this on camera because I suck at putting on lashes on camera, okay? I'm doing this for y'all. So you can either take your tweezers or you can take your hand, but then no glue on the lashes. You could just pop on your lashes. You're supposed to be able to just put them directly on, and look at that, they are on. So now you can either take your fingers or you can take your tweezers and push the lash and your real lashes and the fake lashes to your band. And then what I do is, and I can feel them on, they're secure. And what I normally do is I'll take a little bit of my liquid liner, and this is, again, I use the NYX vinyl liquid liner, and I will just pull down and I will cover that lash band like so, and your lashes should be on, sis. Look at that. You want to make sure you don't have any extra lashes hanging out. You want to make sure they're pushed together, which they are. And that is, try it at home, sis. Really the easiest way to get on your lashes, okay? So I'm gonna just quickly do the other side. That way y'all see that this ain't no game, okay? And boom. And there you have it. Your lashes are on. You want to make sure you go underneath and just push up so they're nice and lifted. This is what they look like. And that is how you get on your lashes, sis. Okay? Easy. Easy. You see how easy that was? Like, I feel like that's an easy method. Make sure, see how bomb these are on. Like, I always get compliments on my lashes. And one, they're my lashes from my lash line. Coming soon. Give You Lashes, okay? And, yeah, they're from my line, and I just can't wait for you guys to try them out. I can't wait for you guys to be able to order them as soon as all this stuff is over. I hope this video has helped you guys. You know, I hope if you try this at home, you try this method at home, then it works for you. It literally works. And I still, to this day, sis, I have trouble. It's hit or miss some days with me putting on lashes. Like, some days I could just pop them right on, and then there's some days to where I'm like,
okay, I cannot handle this. Like,
my lashes, my real lashes are super, super curly. And I've even gotten lash extensions before, and I've had somebody do them, and my lashes are so curly that they touch my eyelid. They come up and they curl and they touch my eyelid, and they're really, really short, and they're just like all messy and all over the place. And it's really hard for me to, at the beginning when I was first starting, it was so hard for me to get on my lashes. So let me know if you guys, if there's anybody out there that has problems putting on lashes. Oh my gosh, let me know if you guys have that same problem. But anyways, yes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys let me know if it helped you in the comment section below. Make sure to be sanitary, like I said. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, the next time I drop a video, you know. And help me reach 2K. Thank you guys so much for the support. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at giveyouface. Don't forget to also follow me on TikTok, because I make cute, fun videos on there. And I've been trying to like interact. So don't forget to follow me on there. My TikTok is giveyouface4. All of my links to all my social media will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive and giving me likes and tagging the companies that I need for you guys to tag without me even having to ask, and all the shares. And I've just been working so hard. So I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one, hopefully. Yes, see you next time.